Hey everyone, this is John and we start our new topic on allergies today. And this video is quite simple. I just want to give a brief introduction. So what we're going to cover is information about allergies, such as what an allergy is, what different types they are, and some common causes of allergy. So what is an allergy? It's simply a damaging or hurtful immune response. And if you remember, immune system is what fights an infection. It's what fights the bacteria or virus that get in your body. So this is a damaging immune system response to something that is normally completely harmless. And in fact, your body will actually hurt itself by overreacting to these harmless things. And there are two main types of allergies. These can be environmental and food. So for environmental, this is one of the most common ones here. This is plants or pollen. So this is called hay fever and it's very common, especially during summertime. The plants will release pollen like this here, and you will get symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose. You get stuffy nose is when that area around your nose feels very full and uncomfortable. You might even get sore eyes, an itchy mouth, or even something called hives. And like I said, this is often seasonal, like not mostly in summertime or spring, but this can actually happen at any time throughout the year, even in winter. And in case you weren't sure what the things here, hives are, this is them here, the small raised bumps. They're normally very itchy. And the other main type of environmental allergies are from animals, such as pets. So this comes from their skin and their fur or their hair. And again, very similar symptoms to the last one we looked at, hay fever. So you'll get runny nose, itchiness, things like that, sneezing. And both animal allergies and hay fever allergies are uncomfortable, so they're not nice, but they are not very serious. So they will not threaten your life, which is different to the next one we have here, food allergies. These are potentially very dangerous. And these are caused by specific proteins or different parts in your food that your immune system sees as dangerous and reacts to, but they are actually harmless. And these can cause some similar symptoms, but normally to a much more serious degree, such as itchiness, swelling. Swelling is when an area of your body gets bigger. Normally water builds up there, such as in the eyes or around the mouth or throat. Lightheadedness, stomach pain, vomiting, or diarrhea, and these can be life-threatening, so you can actually die from some food allergies. So it's very important that if you do have some food allergies, that you're able to effectively tell a restaurant or anyone that you're eating food with not to put these into your food. So these are just some of the common food allergies. The first one is peanuts, and despite the name nut, it's actually not a type of nut. Next we have egg. And then we have all other types of nuts. So like I said, peanuts actually aren't nuts, but things like walnut, almond, and hazelnut are. And these are very common ones. And the last one here is crustaceans. So this just means crabs, shellfish, lobsters, things like that. So if the word crustacean is hard, you can just say shellfish allergy and people will know. And then the last allergen we have here is soybean. And then the very last two things I have here are not technically allergens, but they are intolerances. So lactose intolerance means you can't eat dairy or milk. And then the very last one is gluten intolerance. So normally this will be things like bread or pasta, and you can't eat that. Normally the last two here are not life-threatening, but they are very uncomfortable. They will give you diarrhea or stomach pains. And that is the video then today. In future videos, we're going to look at how to describe any allergies that you have to people in restaurants. So stay tuned for that, and thank you very much for watching.